Correctly paying your Visa bill online on RBC is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to RBC Online Banking. Ensure you have the latest version installed on your device or access it through your web browser. Next, navigate to the Account section. Locate the specific Visa account you want to make a payment towards. Then look for the Make a Payment or Pay Your Bill option. This might be labeled slightly differently depending on your online banking interface. Next, select your Visa account as the source of funds. Now choose the account from which you want to make the payment. After that, enter the payment amount. Ensure you input the correct amount to cover your outstanding bill or choose to pay your full balance. Here, choose the payment date. Decide whether you want the payment to be processed immediately or on a specific date in the future. Double-check all the details before finalizing the payment. You will receive a confirmation message or email once the payment is successfully submitted.